What's up guys, Justin here from CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to install a bed rack on our 2022 Tundra. We'll show you how to do it. Alright, so first step is we're just going to do a hardware dump right on this tailgate, get everything prepped and laid out. We're going to put our washers on our 5/16 bolts here. Just kind of get those prepped. Make sure your associated nuts are kind of alongside. Just makes the install process a lot easier if everything's prepped and laid out. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, so our next step is we're gonna insert these nut rails into our factory rail here from Toyota. So we're gonna put 3 on each side. We just need to remove this end cap. You can pry it out with a screwdriver. Sometimes they just slide right out like that. And then we'll slide, like I said, 3 of these on each side. And then we'll get the side rails in place. All right, so next step we have our side rail in place, and we're just gonna line up our nut rail inserts that we previously slid into this channel to these holes right here, and then we're gonna thread our bolts in. We don't wanna tighten them down yet, just get them good and snug, and then we'll get our alignment set. Then we'll come back and tighten those down with a 9/16 wrench. All right, so before you tighten this side down, make sure you take some measurements and make sure that it's the same measurement relative to the cab or the rear of the bed, whichever you choose, just to make sure that these are the same measurement. So when you put your crossbars on, everything's gonna line up great. So once you get your measurement, then you can tighten everything up down here, and then we'll start our crossbars. All right, so next step is we're gonna get our crossbars installed. So we're gonna take these, just kind of bridge the gap here. You can see 4 holes on the ends are gonna go on the tops of your side rails. We're gonna use our 5/16 hardware. We're gonna get them hand tight right now. We'll get them all 3 installed and then come back and tighten everything up with a 3/16 Allen. All right, so next step is we're gonna install our front support brackets. So these are side specific, so pay attention to that. And you can see we have this 90-degree angle here. So we're gonna put that 90-degree angle towards the cab, and then we have our laser cutouts. We'll put that towards the bottom, and that'll install in the bottom hole there and in between the 2 slotted holes up here with our same 5/16 hardware. All right, so we got everything hand tight. Now the next step is we're gonna take our 3/16 Allen, tighten it all down. All right guys, thanks for watching today's install tutorial of the 2022 roof rack height bed rack. Thanks for watching. Check out more install videos. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Thank you.